In that interview with Time magazine today, Mr. Trump said, "I tend to be right. I'm an instinctual person. I happen to be a person that knows how life works." And the truth is, a lot of voters agree. Dean Reynolds is listening to the people.
It would be hard to find more fervent Trump supporters than Corky Haynes and Barbara Wiley.
But we love flying our flag.
Well, how do you think the president is doing 60 days into his presidency?
Fabulous.
The tweets.
Because they don't want to get a nasty tweet.
The bragging.
This is going to be fantastic.
The fights with the media.
You are fake news.
Sir.
Go ahead.
And I've been saying this for years, and it's finally exciting to have someone call him out on it.
The two Sun City grandmothers are among what the polls identify as the 30 or 40% of the country that form the Trump base. And for the record, they don't believe the polls either.
They said he wouldn't win the election.
Why would any common sense thinking person put any stock in the polls today?
As for the health care bill proposed by congressional Republicans and supported by the president that could cause millions to lose coverage.
I think whatever plan they come up with is going to be a plan that works for all the people.
Obamacare premiums here have risen by 116%, Exhibit A in the Trump administration's argument for repeal. But the current House bill to replace Obamacare could have dire consequences for Arizona, with estimates that 380,000 people could lose Medicaid coverage if that bill becomes law. Republican State Representative Heather Carter is concerned about what that could mean for her state.
We've seen what happens in Arizona when people don't have health insurance and they show up in the emergency room for their care. It's a disaster.
She supported the expansion of Medicaid that was part of Obamacare and says that part of the law should stay.
And I'm happy to see that there are Republicans back in D.C. who are really taking the time to understand the implications of this policy on their constituents.
And that's what we heard from many Trump supporters here, Scott. They all want the Republican Congress to do the right thing on health care, but take more time to do it.
Dean Reynolds listening to the people. Dean, thank you very much.